Hello and welcome to TW White & Sons Mazda. Thanks for taking the time to look at our approved used vehicles and browse our website. What we've got to show you today is a very, very special car. This is a 2018 on a 68 plate, limited edition Mazda MX-5 RF, called a Sport Black. Mazda made a couple of tweaks to the car to produce a limited edition vehicle, which I'll go around and show you. It is ever so slightly darker alloy wheels, which look tremendous against the eternal blue. Black mirror covers, a little black rear spoiler, and all important black leather interior as well. This is a vehicle that we know really well. We actually sold this car brand new to the one owner that it's had back in 2018. And the car's covered less than 12,000 miles in its 3 years. It's coming up to the point where it's going to be due its first MOT and third service. We'll be doing that before the car leaves us. And the car's in absolutely wonderful condition. Just been round, looked, every single alloy wheel is unmarked, not a curb mark in sight. Obviously all original tyres. They came with Bridgestone Pretenzers from factory, and that's matching on all four corners. Bodywork is very, very straight, and even just sort of the gloss and finish of the paint is absolutely wonderful, as you can see from the reflection there. So the car has the 2-litre 160 horsepower engine. They do produce a 1.5 engine for the MX-5s, but yeah, if you're a keen driver and you like that little bit of extra power without too much detriment to your fuel economy, the 2-litre is a really, really lovely engine, but fabulous looking car, roof up or roof down. So the RF has a retractable folding metal roof, which I'll show you momentarily, but on an evening like today, it's absolutely wonderful. I drove the car down here with the biggest grin on my face. That's what MX-5s do so well. So when you put the roof down, you notice this sort of window section actually is open, and so you can actually get into the centre of the car from there, and it's like a very, very big Targa top opening. Really nice roof setup on these. But a wonderful car, very, very happy to be able to offer it for sale. Let me show you the roof operation. So you do need to have the ignition on or the engine running. I'll start the car up to show you. You just have to have the clutch pedal down. There's a starter button here. They make a wonderful noise, as you've just heard. And there's a little switch just down here. All you do is press and hold this, and you'll see the buttresses at the back lift up. Apologies if you can't see it very well, but roof comes out. There's a little hook on it here, which is all done mechanically. And when you hear that beep, we're all done. Let me take you outside and show you. And car's transformed with a folding metal roof. And that window that I mentioned, you can now see is in place. That is heated, so in the winter you do still have a heated rear screen. And the car just looks even more wonderful. There's not an angle that an MX-5 looks bad from. It's such a beautiful car. It's won various awards for design and all sorts over the years, and this shape has been in production for a number of years now, and it's aging so well. And I maintain that this view here, 3/4 view, is such a good looking car. I'll show you a couple of features on the rest of the inside. So they're really well spec'd. There's no such thing as a bad specification MX-5. See, previous owner had MX-5 Scuff Plates. You can see under this protector here, MX-5 tailored mat set as well. Absolutely vital for a brand new car. Mentioned the mileage, so it's covered less than 12,000 miles, 11,918. You have this multimedia system, which Mazda have been using for some time now, which does your hands-free telephone, DAB radio, navigation, and various other things. It's a really good system, very easy to use. It's touchscreen when you're stationary as well, but typically controlled from this little button here. As you twist this dial, you can move the selector on screen. With climate control air conditioning, heated front seats, switch for the roof there, and the all-important 6-speed manual transmission. And this for me is the defining feature of this car. It is the best manual gearbox I have ever used by some way. It's so well weighted and very sort of short, precise throws. It's absolutely wonderful. You have to try one to be able to appreciate just how good it is. Steering wheel controls for stereo, cruise control and speed limiter, and of course electric windows and the adjustment of the mirrors. Turn it off. You do have a little badge there as well to tell you that it's a Sport Black limited edition. And that's it. That's our MX-5. Apologies, the lighting's not brilliant. I am doing this at the very end of the day, just keen to get the car advertised because they are so scarcely available, and just don't come to market that often. So we want to get the car online. Please feel free to give our sales team a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Cheers then, thanks, bye.